Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on and turn off AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Okay, so as you can see, we have to open the settings, go for the Bluetooth. In my case, the Bluetooth is enabled and the AirPods are not connected. So to turn them on, we have to simply open the case, and right now in the most cases, they will be turned on. If they are still not activated, you can just simply put them to your ears, and you will hear this notification sound, and also this notification will also change. And after that, if you want to listen any media through your AirPods, you have to open this control center, tap right here, and then you have to switch from your iPhone speaker to your AirPods Pro 2nd generation. So that's how you can turn them on and activate. If you want to turn them off, basically you have to just put them to the case. They will be turned off automatically, close the case, and as you can see right now, it's automatically switched to iPhone speaker. You can be also sure when you open the Bluetooth settings, go for the Bluetooth settings, and as you can see, the status, the connection has changed for not connected. If it's not working in your case, you can at the end tap on the information icon. Well, let me just connect them one more time because right now this option is not available. Okay, so you can just tap right here on the information icon and then scroll down and tap to disconnect. You are not going to forget the connection, you are just going to disconnect and they will be just simply turned off. So as you can see, that's how it looks in the AirPods Pro 2nd generation. That's how you can power on and power off this device. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.